If you don't pass algebra the first time you take it, you're much more likely to not graduate from high school. It's the gatekeeper course. Leadership Public Schools is a network of 4 urban charter high schools serving low-income students in the Bay Area.
More than 80% of our incoming freshmen are below grade level. They lack the confidence that will say, I can do this.
LPS created Navigate Math to backfill 2nd through 7th grade foundational math skills for students who are struggling in algebra. It's a program with coursework, assessments, and instructional practices that we partnered with Gooru to implement and then to share with others.
When this was actually introduced to me, I was really hesitant because I am a control freak. And once I was able to see that, hey, it actually worked, like kids were engaged, I could see that I could be more effective in actually reaching the students who I wanted to reach.
You get to work with each other and help each other out, communicate with others and see what they're having difficulty with.
You're giving feedback, and in giving feedback, you're learning. Alondra came to us maybe at the 7th grade level. She had no confidence in her abilities to do math, and she's beyond grade level right now.
Our aim is to have students grow more than 2 years per year. Kids are on track to about 2.5 years. We have other schools outside of LPS that are using our pre-algebra approach through Gooru. Gooru has enabled us to make this work available to a wide range of people. We couldn't have done that by ourselves.